Do you ever feel rushed in the morning but still want a nourishing, delicious breakfast? What if you could prepare something the night before, allowing you to start your day with ease and mindfulness? If this sounds like you, then this video might be for you. But first, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Reynolda Jones, and I'm the CEO and lead therapist here at A Solution B, a holistic mental health private practice located in the greater Grand Rapids, Michigan area. So thank you for joining me today. And if you are a current follower, thank you for returning. If you are new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to any of the social media platforms that you're viewing this video on. And thank you. I want to welcome you back to my mindful cooking series. And today we're creating a nourishing and calming dish called Golden Milk Overnight Oats. This recipe was inspired by Benji Xavier on Instagram, who made matcha overnight oats. It's a simple, wholesome recipe that brings comfort to both body and mind. So let's take this time to slow down, be present, and enjoy the process. Join me in my kitchen. First, we add half a cup of quick oats. Oats are a comforting base. It's full of fiber and it's heart healthy nutrients. Now, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds will soak up all the liquid and expand later on, giving the oats a creamy texture. Next, let's gently pour in 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk adds a subtle nuttiness and keeps the recipe light and dairy free, though you can use any milk you prefer. Now, add a 1/4 cup of plain goat milk yogurt, which is what I prefer due to sensitivity to cow milk. Yogurt brings creaminess, and goat milk also brings a gentle tang to this nice recipe. But yogurt in general adds probiotics, which help support your gut health. So if you prefer another type of yogurt, feel free to substitute. Now for a touch of vanilla, 1 teaspoon. The vanilla adds warmth and a soft sweetness that pairs beautifully with the golden milk spices. And finally, the star of this recipe, golden milk. This blend of turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and sometimes pepper is both fragrant and healing. You can add anywhere from half a teaspoon to a full teaspoon, depending on how bold you want the flavor to be. Now, let's sweeten the oats. I'm using a variety of different sweeteners to see how this changed the taste of my products, but feel free to adjust the sweetness to your taste. As you pour or measure your sweetener, take a moment to reflect on the balance of flavors you're creating. A little sweetness to brighten the earthy spices of the golden milk. As you mix, let yourself enjoy the process. The ingredients are coming together to create something nourishing. Notice the transformation as the colors and textures blend. This is your time. Let it be a mindful, calming experience. Now I'm going to cover the containers with their lids and place them in the fridge and let them rest for a few hours or overnight. In the morning, I'll be ready to have my rich in flavor, creamy in texture, and packed with nutrients meal for breakfast. In the morning, you'll have a beautiful, ready to eat breakfast waiting just for you. So take this moment when you get it to savor it and perhaps add fresh fruit, nuts, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. Mindful cooking is not just about the preparation, but also about enjoying the food with gratitude and awareness. And there you have it, your Golden Milk Overnight Oats, a simple, nourishing dish that invites you to slow down and be present. Take time for yourself, enjoy the process, and let mindful cooking breathe peace into your life. Well, thank you for watching and enjoy your mindful moments. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.